Hello guys! We are doing a pink halo look today for my old lady eyes, and be proud of your age, ladies. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. So today I'm taking my beauty blender and blending in this Glamouflage concealer from my old lady eyes that I appreciate. And now I am taking the Festival palette and using the color Red Izafa with my eye crease brush for my little in-between little creases. And just kind of like, just keep packing it on like there's no tomorrow. Now I'm taking my blending eye brush and using the color Manwoo. It's like a peachy orangey, you know, kind of like my butt cheeks. So it's blending very well, as you can tell. So I'm just gonna going back in with my eye crease brush and filling in my hollow eyeballix. And now I'm going in underneath my eyes and kind of like blending in the same color as Zafa, which is a red color. Now I'm grabbing this hard tacky Glamouflage. Hopefully that is going to change my life, but it's really not. It's a concealer that I love to use. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go in with a Q-tipper and kind of taking off the excess so that way everything runs its course, hopefully. And I do this so that way the color, the top color that I'm going to put on is going to show bright, hopefully. I'm not sure. Now I'm taking another eye crease brush and I am putting in the color pink, which is called Eerie G, something like that. And now I'm going in with the white color that is called Yuli, and just kind of like blending things together, like blending all my boyfriends, and hopefully everybody gets along. And now I'm going to take this concealer brush that I'm using to line the color Izafa on there so that way everything looks all crispy and whatnot. Then I'm just kind of like taking my blending brush and just blending the shit out of everything so that way everything looks great. So now I'm taking my eyeliner that is called Rimmel London and using my liquid liner in Jet Black from e.l.f. Cosmetics, because sometimes I like to feel a little elfy. And I'm just kind of like airing it out. Now I'm taking my Telescopic from L'Oreal in the color 905 Black and just kind of like, you know, then I use my adhesive from Kiss. Then I put my fake eyelashes on to make me look beautiful. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my lipstick that's called Why Not from Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker. Now this lip liner is from Rimmel London, and for the life of me I can't remember because I'm getting old and whatnot, so I don't remember the shade. Well guys, what do you think? I hope you guys like this look because I worked really hard on it. Yes, but you styling and profiling. You looking like a freaking chameleon. Yes.